So guys, from my previous video that talked about how I make $100 USDT every 24 hours trading Solana meme tokens, I said I was going to make a practical video showing you exactly how it works, only if a good number of persons go over to the comment section to request for it. And boom guys, a lot of persons actually went over to the comment section and requested for a practical video. Okay, so guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to trade Solana meme coins practically, so you know exactly how it works, so you can start making the most amount of money for yourselves just by doing that, guys. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV, and what we do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure to smash on that subscribe button right now. Destroy that subscribe button, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever Don Camps TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you're about to watch right now, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Alright guys, so here we are. So the very first thing we need to do right now is we need to send some Solana into our Phantom wallet. Okay, so how do we do that? So first of all, we need to convert some amount of USDT into Solana. Okay, and we can actually do that on the spot market. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place down below here that says trade, guys. All right, okay, so this is the spot market right now. So I'm going to hit on this place right here that says buy/USDT. I'm going to hit on it and just find SOL, okay, which is Solana. All right, so this is it. I'm going to hit on it right now, guys. Boom. So as you can see up here, it's already on buy right here. So I'm going to buy let's say 21 USDT worth of Solana, guys. Okay, so first of all, up here that says limit, I'm going to change this to market right now. So I'm going to hit on it. I'm going to search for market. As you can see, I'm going to click on it. Boom. So down below here that says total USDT, I'm going to hit on it and just type in 21 right here. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place down here that says buy sold. Okay, I'm going to hit on it, guys. Boom. So as you can see, it is order created. All right, so I just bought the sum of 21 USDT worth of Solana, as you can see right here. Okay, so I'm going to head over to my Phantom wallet right now to copy my Solana wallet address from there. Okay, so guys, let's go. All right guys, here we are. So up here that says receive, I'm going to hit on receive right here. Okay, and over here that says Solana, I'm going to hit on it and just copy this address right here. And I'm going to head back to my Binance wallet right now, guys. Okay, so let's go. Here we are, guys. So down below here that says wallet, I'm going to hit on wallet, and right here that says withdraw, I'm going to hit on withdraw, guys. Okay, so down below here that says withdraw, I'm going to hit on withdraw again. I'm going to hit on Solana right here, guys. Okay, down here that says send via crypto network, I'm going to hit on it. Boom, guys. So here we are. So over here that says long press to paste, I'm going to paste my address right here. Okay, so as you can see, it says that the minimum SOL I can actually, transfer right here is 0.1 SOL. All right, and I have an available balance of 0.096. Okay, so this actually means that I need to, purchase some SOL added to this one right here to actually complete it, to be 0.1. All right. So before now, guys, 21 USDT was around 0.1. So that was the reason why I converted 21 USDT to Solana right here. Okay, but it's as if Solana just increased in price, because as you all know, Bitcoin has been, going up recently, and Bitcoin actually helps all these other cryptos to, pump. So as you can see right now, Bitcoin is currently at $101,000, dollars per 1 BTC. Okay, so I'm just going to purchase another SOL right now. I'm going to hit on trade again. Okay, and just purchase, let's say 10 USDT worth of Solana. Okay, I'm going to hit on this place right here that says buy. Boom, so I just bought another SOL right now. Okay, so I'm going to go back, guys. So I'm going to hit on withdraw right here again. I'm going to hit on withdraw down below here and just hit on Solana right here, guys. I'm going to hit on send via crypto network. Boom, so I'm going to paste my address right here again. Okay, so over here that says Solana, I'm going to hit on this place over here that says max. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to be receiving the sum of 0.134857 SOL, because they actually have a network fee of 0.008 SOL. All right, I'm going to hit on withdraw down below here, guys. Boom, so I'm going to hit on confirm. Okay, guys, so I'm going to be inputting my password right here. So I'm going to pause this video right now. All right, guys, so I just imputed my password. As you can see right here, it says withdrawal processing 0.142857. So I'm going to hit on this place down here that says view history. Okay, so as you can see over here, it's still processing. So let's just give this some time, guys. Okay, so when it's done processing, the money is going to arrive on my Phantom wallet, and boom, guys, I can start doing whatsoever thing I want to do. Okay, so the total amount of Solana I actually transferred to my Phantom wallet right now is 31 USDT worth of Solana. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video right now. When the money actually arrives into my Phantom wallet, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can start this, guys. Okay, so let's go. Boom, guys, so Phantom wallet just sent me an email right now, so I'm going to scroll down my phone. As you can see right here, it says Phantom, you received 0.1349 Solana. Okay, so I'm going to head over there right now, guys, so we can actually start trading immediately. Okay, so let's go. All right, guys, so here we are on my Phantom wallet right now. So as you can see down here, it says I currently have the sum of 0.13486 Solana, which is what the sum of 29.12 USDT, as you can see up here. Okay, so the next step right now is to go over to the CoinMarketCap bot listing group to find tokens that is about to be listed on CoinMarketCap, and boom, guys, we'll actually get the contract address and we'll actually come over here to buy those tokens and just trade on them. Okay, so guys, let's go. Here we are, guys. So as you can see over here, all these tokens were listed recently, 8:40 a.m. This one 8:40 as well. This one 8:40. As you can see, this is their names right here: the Sunny, the HBC, the HAT, and so on. Okay, so I'm going to go over to the CoinMarketCap right now so I can actually search for those tokens, guys. All right, so let's go. All right, guys, so here we are on the CoinMarketCap right now. So as you can see over here, all these are the tokens that were listed recently on the CoinMarketCap bot listings group. Okay, so this one right here called the Shifu, the COQAI, the Top Hat, the Stogarent, the Nourish, as you can see over here. Okay, so remember, guys, our focus right here is on Solana meme tokens. All right, so I'm going to scroll further right here. As you can see, this one right here called Top Hat is actually a Solana meme token, and it was listed about 48 minutes ago. Okay, so we can still trade on these guys because it's still within 24 hours. So when we actually trade on this, there's actually a high tendency that we're going to make profit from those tokens right here because it's actually a fresh token. As you can see, it just got listed 48 minutes ago right here on the CoinMarketCap. Okay, so how do we actually get the contract address for this token? So guys, it's quite easy. So all you just simply need to do is hit on the token over here. Okay, so it's going to load up. Let's give this some time. All right, so I'm going to scroll down right now. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is the contract address for this token. So all you just simply need to do is copy this address right here, and then you actually head over to your Phantom wallet. Okay, so guys, I'm going to go over there right now. Okay, so let's go. Here we are, guys. So the next step to take while you are here is just simply hit on this discover button over here, and up here that says search, you just simply hit on the search bar and just type in Radium. As you can see, I already typed in Radium previously, so I'm just going to hit on it right now. So it's going to load up, guys. Let's give this some time. Boom, guys, so here we are. All right, guys, so as you can see up here, my wallet is already connected. That is the reason why I'm seeing my balance over here. Okay, so for your case, make sure you actually connect your wallet, guys. All right, so if you actually want to learn how you can connect your wallet and do all this stuff, make sure you watch the video I actually showed previously on how you can do all of this. I'm going to be leaving a link to that video at the top right corner of my screen right now. Okay, so right now, how do you actually purchase this token? Okay, so down below here that says store, as you can see, just simply hit on this place that says USDT and just paste the wallet's contract address. Okay, so this is it. So as you can see, this is the token right here, the heart token. So I'm going to hit on it, guys. Boom. So I'm going to purchase the sum of 0.04 Solana, which is around 8 USDT right here with this token. Okay, so I'm going to type in 0.04. Okay, so as you can see, 0.04 Solana is around $8, as you can see right here. And it's going to give me 91.54 of this token. Okay, so that is no big deal, guys. Wow, as you can see, guys, 0.04 Solana, which is worth $8, is now worth 88.6 of this token. Okay, so this actually means that the token is actually increasing. So I'm going to quickly swap right now, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on swap. So let's see how this goes, guys. Boom. So as you can see, it says I should actually confirm right here. So I'm going to confirm, guys. As you can see, there's actually a network fee. I'm going to hit on confirm. Boom. So as you can see right here, it says swap confirmed. Okay, so I just swapped 0.04 Solana, which is around 8 USDT, with this token over here called the HAT, and it actually gave me 86.5. Okay, so this is cool, guys. So I'm going to go back to my account right now. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to refresh my balance and you're going to see the token right here. Boom. So as you can see over here, guys, it says that I currently have 86.5 hat, which is worth around $8.61. Okay, so how do you actually make profit from all these tokens? All right, so all you just simply need to do is hold these tokens for at least 24 hours, guys. Okay, right here on your portfolio, you're going to see how the token is moving. Okay, you're going to see the volatility. As you can see, the token just increased by 0.37%, and boom, as you can see, it's actually green. Okay, so this is actually what I'm talking about, guys. Gradually this token actually increases, and boom, you actually make a lot of profit for yourself. Okay, so the amount of profit you can make from whatsoever token that is recently listed on the CoinMarketCap is limitless, guys. All right, all you just simply need to do is take the risk and see how far it goes for you. Okay, so this is basically the practical aspect of this video, guys. All right, so if you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. I actually go out of my way right here on this channel to make sure I give you guys the best value ever. Okay, so let's say you have actually made a lot of money from whatsoever token you are trading on. All you just simply need to do is hit on the swap button over here, and boom, guys, you just simply swap your token back to Solana or USDT or whatever where you actually want to swap it to. Okay, so how do you do it? You just simply hit on this place right here that says so. Okay, as you can see, this is top hat. You can just simply hit on top hat and just swap it to USDC or Solana or USDT. As you can see, it's going to load up, guys. Let's give this some time. So let's say you actually want to swap to Solana back. You just simply hit on Solana and just swap back. Okay, so this is basically how you can actually swap back and make your profit. Okay, so guys, if this is your first time joining us right here, make sure you actually subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos like this, and as well like this video, guys. Okay, share this video to your friends and family so they actually get to benefit from this wonderful opportunity. All right, so guys, thank you once more for watching this video. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.